Hello friends. So day one, we are going to Codeforce today. I'm going to do in 30 days for each problem for each day. So first go to the day one. Myself, Rakesh. I'm a second time engineering student. So let's go to the Codeforce. So this is my first problem to submit in day one. So let's go to the question. So in a Codeforce sponsored by Tom. The question was lucky. So let's go to the question. So what is the question was telling? A ticket is in a string consisting of a 6-digit number was an input. We are going to give an input to this program. A ticket is consisting of lucky. The sum of the first 3 digit is equal to the sum of the last 3 digit. Let's say if the first digit, for example, 1 2 3, given as a 1 2 3 3 2 1. As just an example, first 3 numbers, what is it? 1 2 3. The sum of this first 3 numbers is 6, and the last 3 numbers is 3 2 1, and also 6. If sum of first 3 numbers is equals to the last sum of last 3 numbers, this given ticket has considered as a lucky, or else if not equals, it's going to not. So note that the ticket can be leading zeros. It can be a zeros also. Ticket here given input 0 0 0 like that also. Okay. Next, what is a user going to give an input? So the first line of an input containing an integer. Integer as an t. The first number is first line. This first line is given 5 integer. The first line is containing integer t. The number of tickets. What are the numbers? How many tickets you are going to give? So then describe the test. Each test consisting of one line containing one string consisting of 6 digits. 6 digits each line. How many test cases? 5 test cases here given. Each test case consisting of 6 digit numbers as a string. It is also all are the string. Oh, what want to be output? Output t lines. T lines, how many lines? T lines means 5. If what numbers test case numbers given, that test case numbers of outputs, each of which containing the answer to the corresponding test case output S if the given ticket is lucky, or no otherwise. If an given test lucky means a given test case 6-digit number is if it is a lucky number. First 3 digits, the sum of the first 3 digits is equal to the sum of the last 3 digit. It considered as a lucky. Then it gives an output as an S. Otherwise, it gives as a no. So you can output the answer in any case. For example, string S anything. This is the rules. Not as space as a time, and also it's given a time per test, time limit, and memory limit. These are the conditions in this code challenges. What are the conditions in this code challenge? Time limit per test, once again. Memory limit per test 256 megabytes. These are the conditions, and this is the input, and these are the output you want to give. So let's, and they give an example also. So input what want to be given by the user. First was first line containing integer as how many number of test cases? 5. Then 5 numbers of test cases consisting of 6 digits. Then output yes or no, like what are the lucky tickets, or no, not yes or no, and given a note. What is a node? In the first test case, the sum of the first three digits. The sum of the first three is 2, 1, 3. Then a 6, and the sum of the last digit 1, 3, 2. And then a 6. There is a equal first three digit. The sum of the first three digits and the sum of the last digit is same. So it output has as yes. Now in the second case, the sum of the first digit 973. 973 is 19, and the sum of the last three digit 894 is 21. So these are two are not equals. First three digit sum of three digit and last three digit. So it output has a no. In third test case, the sum of first three digits is 045. 045 is 9, and the sum of the last digit 207 as a 9. So these two are equal. So it output as a yes. And the fourth test case here 0000. Here given it lets be note that the ticket can have leading zeros also. So 000 also it gives yes. So let's type in a code today. So here what they given first line, what want to be contained integer t. We want to input from the user. So t is equals to int input. So first line contains t int from the input, integer from the input they given here. What want to be input here? The first line of the input containing an integer t. So we have got input by the input t int from the user. So let's want to be a read the description first each test cases. For that I have given define one of list. So to store yes or no like that. So then read 5 test how many times t given that much of test cases. Wait a minute. So I'm going to for look read the t times of test cases. So for an high in range, this is a Python code, not an C or C++ code. For I in a range t, then want to read in a test. So input as they given here, we want to read as in a string, one string. I want to read in a string, not in a int. We're going to not in a like int. We're going to read in input only. It goes to string and another one is strip. So to delete the spaces. So we are read the tests. Then we want to check the first digit is sum of the three digit is equal to the sum of the last three digit number. Oh, let's read it. So first FIRST, first three digit is equals to int oh, this test of 0 plus int sorry int test of I going to index for each number, so it was from the integer, that's why then int so I have some means the sum of the first three digit. I complete the sum of the first three digit, then I want the last three digit sum. So last three digit sum, this one. So int of so specify that only it has a 6 digit. Test of 3 plus int test of 4 plus sorry int of test of 5. So index is in a step from 0 to n minus 1, so that's why. So I summed the first three digit and last three digit, so I want to compare this, so I'm going to in a first condition. So if first three digits FIR or first three digits, sum of the first three digits, if on a single letter was missed, it gives an error. The first three digits is equals to sum of the first three digits is equals to comparing these two last digit. So why I want to create it in a list, initialize in a list is to append the yes or no. So list is a l dot append s. So if condition is false, say here comma given, not in a dot. So you want to give in a dot. So color was also changing. Observe that. L dot append. So I have completed the operation in this for this program. So let's print them from the list. So I also again using in a for loop to print the cases. So I completed this program. So let's test it. So it asking a first as an a t, how many test cases are. I'm giving it a 3. So first one is the 1 2 3 1 2 3 first test case. So it's giving an a error. Here I given in a not on a square brackets. So we want to give in a square brackets. So it defines the index. It's given a line also. Line 264 like that. I can write it on the code. 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 987. So it's giving an output. So as no as 1 2 3 1 2 3. And sum of the first digit is equal to sum of the last three digit. So it's giving an S. So second test case 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is not equals first the digit sum of the first three digit not equals to second sum of the last three digit. So giving a no. So in third case 7 8 9 first three digit is equals to sum of the first three digit is equals to sum of the last three digits. So it's giving an S. So the program is success. So it giving a correct output and it takes the correct input. So let's going to submit this program. So I already submitted. So already it has also accepted it. Let's see what. Wait a minute. I'll submit this. Yeah, it's one lucky. Hey, already it also accepted it. So it if want to submit again also. It shows green color if submitted this program. So network was so low. Let's go to submit again. Copy this code. One 1676A. The problem. I pasted it successfully. So let's submit it. It shows inquiry. It got accepted. Like that in code challenges are very much of I also submitted so much of test other code challenges. So like that you can get a good code skills and improve your code skills also. Yeah. Some reasons I got not in the previous months. So let's consistently are going to work onward today. Thanks guys. So this is my side guys. Thanks. If you got interested, subscribe to my channel.